Hello, future entrepreneurs. Welcome to a comprehensive guide on launching your AI-powered side hustle in 2025. If you've ever dreamed of starting a business that not only earns you extra income, but also operates on the cutting edge of technology, you're in the right place. Today, we're going deep into the realm of artificial intelligence to explore side hustles that are innovative, scalable, and surprisingly easy to start, even for beginners. Imagine setting up a business that runs almost entirely on its own, powered by smart technology that works 24/7. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality of AI today, and it's more accessible than ever. Stick around as we uncover the top AI tools and strategies that can kickstart your entrepreneurial journey in 2025. Section 1. The Rise of AI in Entrepreneurship. First things first, let's talk about why AI is revolutionizing entrepreneurship. AI technologies such as machine learning, natural language processing, and automated decision-making are transforming industries by making operations faster, reducing costs, and improving customer experiences. We'll explore how these technologies form the backbone of successful side hustles and how you can leverage them to create a competitive edge. Deep dive into AI technologies. To give you a solid foundation, we'll start with a brief tutorial on the key AI technologies driving today's innovations. Understanding these will help you not only choose the right tools, but also creatively apply them to your business ideas. Section 2. AI-powered side hustle ideas. With a grasp of AI basics, let's dive into specific side hustle ideas that you can start today. Each idea will be broken down into what it entails, how AI powers it, and step-by-step instructions on getting started. 1. AI chatbot development. Our first venture explores the development of AI chatbots using platforms like ChatGPT. These chatbots can be integrated into websites and social media to automate customer service, lead generation, and even sales processes. I'll walk you through setting up a simple chatbot and discuss how to tailor it to various business needs. 2. AI personal assistants. Next up are AI personal assistants, which are in high demand by busy professionals looking to manage their schedules efficiently. We'll examine tools like X.ai and Replica, demonstrating how they can manage appointments, emails, and even conduct basic customer service. Plus, strategies on marketing this service to maximize client acquisition and retention. 3. AI content creation services. Content is still king in digital marketing, and with AI tools like Jasper and Writesonic, you can automate the creation of high-quality content. We'll cover everything from setting up a content service agency to automating content production for blogs, social media, and technical writing. 4. Automated graphic design. Visual content creation is another lucrative area. Tools like Canva's Magic Write and Adobe Spark utilize AI to help users create professional designs effortlessly. We'll do a live demo of designing a full marketing campaign from scratch, and I'll share tips on building a client base for your graphic design services. 5. Online course creation using AI. Lastly, the booming field of online education offers significant opportunities for side hustles. We'll discuss how to use AI to curate personalized courses with platforms like Teachable and Kajabi. This segment will include practical tips on course design, content automation, and marketing to potential students. Section 3. Marketing and scaling your AI side hustle. Now that you know the what and the how, let's talk about taking your business to the market. This section will focus on marketing strategies specifically tailored for AI-powered businesses, including digital marketing, networking, and leveraging social media. We'll also discuss scaling your operations, exploring advanced AI tools for business analytics and customer relationship management that can help you grow efficiently and sustainably. Success stories and case studies. To inspire you, we'll close with several case studies highlighting successful entrepreneurs who started AI side hustles and scaled them into profitable businesses. These stories will provide valuable lessons on overcoming challenges and leveraging AI technology effectively. Armed with knowledge and inspiration, you're now ready to launch your AI-powered side hustle. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today by exploring the AI tools we discussed and envisioning how they fit into your business idea. If you're excited to embark on this journey, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and comment below with the AI side hustle you're most interested in. Let's make 2025 the year you start your path to entrepreneurship with the power of AI.